Why is CISM certification important? Certified Information Security Manager (CISM) certification is essential in today's digital age, where data breaches, cyber attacks, and other online threats are widespread. The growing demand for skilled information security management professionals underscores the vital role that CISM certification plays in an individual's career. One of the most significant reasons why CISM certification is essential is that it demonstrates an individual's understanding of the relationship between an information security program and broader business goals and objectives. It showcases not only information security expertise, but also knowledge in the development of an information security program that aligns with an organization's goals. In addition, it prepares professionals to address and solve complex security issues that require an overarching understanding of business objectives. Furthermore, obtaining CISM certification places an individual in an elite peer network. They gain access to a community of like-minded professionals who share knowledge and best practices on how to handle cybersecurity incidents and mitigate risks. By joining the CISM network, information security managers can build their professional network, which can be valuable for future career prospects. Employers seek CISM certified professionals as this certification identifies critical issues and customizes practices specific to their company's security needs. By having CISM certified professionals on board, the organization can establish and maintain a robust information security program that protects both internal and external data. This improves the organization's credibility and demonstrates its commitment to security and integrity, contributing significantly to compliance issues and attracting and retaining customers. In summary, the importance of CISM certification cannot be overstated. It is a vital certification that shows an individual's expertise in managing security systems and developing effective information security programs in organizations. It is a valuable asset to information security professionals and offers numerous benefits, including access to a network of peers, enhanced credibility, and job prospects. Thus, it is a worthwhile investment for those wishing to advance their careers in the information security field. What does the CISM exam cover? The CISM certification exam is considered to be a challenging exam, testing candidates' knowledge of 4 main domains related to information security management. It is important to have a deep understanding of each domain to pass the CISM exam. The first domain covered in the exam is information security governance. This domain covers the creation and implementation of security policies, procedures, and standards that align with the broader goals and objectives of the organization. It also covers the management of information security risks and the development of an information security program that meets the needs of the organization. The second domain covered in the CISM exam is managing information risk. This domain includes identifying, assessing, and prioritizing information security risks and establishing a plan to mitigate those risks. It covers the development of risk management strategies, risk assessment methodologies, and the integration of risk management into the organization's overall risk management framework. The third domain covered in the exam is developing and managing an information security program. This domain covers the development, implementation, and maintenance of an effective information security program. It includes strategies for evaluating the effectiveness of the program, developing security awareness training for employees, and addressing security incidents. The fourth and final domain covered in the CISM exam is information security incident management. This domain covers the development of an incident response plan and procedures for responding to security incidents. It includes best practices for incident response, managing security incidents, and communicating with stakeholders. It is important to note that while each domain is covered in the exam, the domains are not tested equally. The information security governance domain contributes the most to the exam, followed by managing information risk, developing and managing an information security program, and information security incident management. To prepare for the CISM exam, candidates should review the official exam candidate information guide, which includes a detailed description of each domain. Additionally, candidates can join the CISM exam study community and take practice exams. This will give them a better understanding of the exam structure and format and help to boost their confidence. Passing the CISM exam is a significant achievement that can help to advance a career in information security management. It demonstrates to employers and peers that an individual has the knowledge and skills to develop and manage an effective information security program. Maintaining the CISM certification requires annual renewal and continuing education, which helps to ensure that CISM certified professionals stay up to date with the latest developments in information security management. Prerequisites for the CISM exam. Before you can even begin preparing for the CISM exam, you must ensure that you meet the prerequisites. According to ISACA, the organization that administers the exam, the following requirements must be met. A minimum of 5 years of experience in information security management, with a focus on information security strategy and governance, or information security risk management, or information security program development and management, or information security incident management and response. Adherence to the Code of Professional Ethics. Successfully pass the CISM exam. Minimum of 20 CPE, continuing professional education, hours annually and 120 CPE hours in a 3-year reporting period. If you do not meet these requirements, you will be unable to sit for the CISM exam. Understanding the CISM exam content. It's crucial to understand the content you'll be tested on in the CISM exam. The exam covers 4 domains, as outlined below. Information security governance, 24%. This domain covers the development of an information security strategy and framework, and the relationship between an organization's goals and information security objectives. Information risk management, 30%. This domain covers the identification, assessment, and management of information security risks. Information security program development and management, 27%. This domain covers the design, implementation, and management of an information security incident management, 19%. This domain covers the management of information security incidents and the development of appropriate response plans. Benefits of obtaining CISM certification. Earning a Certified Information Security Manager, CISM, certification brings numerous benefits to an individual's career and an organization's security posture. The CISM certification is globally recognized, and it confirms an individual's expertise in managing security-related operations and assessing security controls in an organization's IT infrastructure. The benefits of obtaining CISM certification range from earning higher salaries to meeting regulatory compliance to securing senior-level information security positions. First and foremost, CISM certification brings credibility and recognition to the holder. CISM is one of the most respected and preferred information security certifications worldwide. It's an independent validation that an information security manager possesses the knowledge and experience necessary to develop and manage an organization's security program. The CISM certification differentiates the holder from the rest in the job market and opens up senior-level information security positions, such as Chief Information Security Officer, CISO, Security Director, or Information Security Manager. Regarding salary, earning a CISM certification has a significant impact on an individual's earnings. According to the 2023 IT Skills and Salary Report from Global Knowledge, the median salary of a CISM certified professional is over $140,000 annually. CISM certified professionals typically earn a higher salary than non-certified individuals in similar information security roles. For example, IT managers with CISM certification earn a median annual wage that's $15,000 more than those without it. Another benefit of obtaining CISM certification involves regulatory compliance. As security and privacy concerns continue to rise, there are more regulations and laws in place that organizations must comply with. The CISM certification covers the necessary aspects of information security governance, information risk management, and incident management that are needed to achieve compliance with regulatory and legal requirements such as SOX, HIPAA, GDPR, and PCI-DSS. Furthermore, CISM certification provides individuals with an exclusive peer network. certified professionals are granted access to the ISACA's global community of information security managers. The community enables professionals to share ideas, learn from each other, and have the opportunity to contribute to the industry. The continuing professional education (CPE) requirements maintain the certification and ensure the holder's knowledge stays current with the latest industry trends and best practices. For organizations, hiring CISM certified professionals enable them to distinguish themselves from competitors by demonstrating their commitment to security and business objectives. It also differentiates their security programs, which attracts and retains customers who seek to do business with trustworthy and secure organizations. Organizations can benchmark their security program against international standards and best practices, giving stakeholders confidence in their security posture. Conclusion: obtaining a Certified Information Security Manager (CISM) certification provides numerous benefits for individuals and organizations. CISM certification brings credibility, recognition, and higher salaries to the holder, and regulatory compliance and an exclusive peer network for continued learning. For organizations, CISM certification adds value by attracting and retaining customers and showcasing their commitment to security and integrity.